Okay, got my engine disassembled. Now I'm gonna move kind of more towards the manual kit. As you can see, as you cannot see, as you can hopefully see, I got my brake pedal in there. I repainted it, nice and not rusted. I'm gonna do the same for the clutch. So, you know, I got myself some nice wire wheels, so I don't have to do with the big old wire wheel with the angle grinder. So I got these two all cleaned up. Just gotta put some paint on them so they won't re-rust again. Alright, so I painted them up. It looks pretty good. Alright. Not bad, not bad. Gotta assemble it back and put it in the car. But I gotta make a bracket. On manual chassis, they weld on a bracket to the top. But on automatic ones, they just leave it blank. They don't have anything assembled again. Okay, so I cut out a little piece of little sheet of metal out of some scrap metal that I had laying around. And I'm gonna clean it up, paint it. Well, I'm gonna probably clean it up, bend it first, try to test fit it on there in the car, drill the holes in the car, and then paint it. Got it kind of mocked up. It's not bolted in or anything, but it's in there. Still gotta make the bracket before I bolt it in, so I'm gonna have to take it out. Went to the store and got these fat nuts. What'd you catch on fire? What'd you catch on fire? Bro! Oh shit! Oh shit! God damn!
Oh shit! Look at these things, bro.
What'd you catch on fire?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh boy.
What we gotta do is make it very precise. And you know.
Oh shit, bro.
Cut this out. So I have like more space. Ah, shit.
What, dog? What the fuck are you doing? Right here. Yeah, you stick it in here. There you go. There you go. Alright, we got everything mounted up. Just gotta drill some. What, bro? Alright, just gotta drill the holes.
Oh!
little long.
Yeah, damn. Damn. Professional? Professional or what?
Fuck no.
Professional? I got my professional grade wire. Professional painting booth.
Oh my god. What? I'm trying to get this shit done. Hell yeah, gay boys. Got this bracket in. Got the clutch in. Got the 3 pedals in. But we got it. Ouch!
Okay. Shoot. Get out of here. Get out of here, boy. Get. Go, get on now. Get on out of here. Okay. Gonna do the engine now. Clean it up. Make it nice and pretty. Okay. And then shoot. Get out of here. Get out of here, boy. Get. I fucking lost the razor blade. God damn it. Okay, got the pistons masked up. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this hammer, this rounded hammer, and kind of like give it circular motions. And that'll cut it out. As you can see, leaves everything more so masked out. Great. Shot. Oh, that's not satisfying. Yep. Nope, that still wasn't satisfying. It's just, nope, never mind. Now I'm just gonna sound out everything, with this little bad baby right here. And then we'll wipe it off with some gasoline. And then paint it real nice and black. Alright, party people, got everything cleaned up, dusted off, sanded down, got the nuts in order so I don't lose track of them. Got 2 cans of the high heat engine paint, but honestly I don't think I need 2, probably just need 1, but I got 2 just in case. There we go. Oh yeah, looks pretty good. Look at that. It's all black. Poo rust. And then that black. Oh yeah. So I took all the bolts out, but then I noticed I didn't take that one out. So it sucks. I'm thinking if I should paint like all the heads of the bolts, like silver or something, just in case like if something fucks up, I could easily find the bolts later on in the future. But we'll see. Yeah, I probably will do that. Here it is all cleaned up. And then I don't really have a place to paint them. And I don't really feel like painting the floor. So I just hold them with my glove. And I just paint the heads. And then I kind of put these two on there. So you can see what it'll look like. And it looks pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, next I'm going to do this shield that goes where the starter's at. And I already cleaned up this side. I'm going to clean up this side and sand it down where a little bit of rust is forming, surface rust. And paint it. Alright, masking off where the oil filter goes. I figured it'd be easier to take it off and then mask around the oil filter and put it on and then paint it instead of trying to like get like the circle around there, and this pokes out a little bit, so that'll be just, it's kind of harder. Oh, great. Alright, got everything really cleaned up on this side. Just gotta take all the bolts off, line them up, cover some stuff up, cover this up, you know, all of that junk. Alright, look at that. It's all masked up. I half-assed this part. The deep stick right there. We got Mojo Jojo's head right there. And you just gotta paint it up. And you know, we'll be done. And look at that, we're done, just like that. I just gotta, you know, shine up all the head of the bolts, and then like this side, pretty nice. Helps out. And, you know, put the shield back on and such. I didn't want to repaint the back side of the shield because it would be pointless. And repaint the mount. Well, the mount for this side, transmission mount. Alright, let's try out some more satisfying peels. How's that one for you boys? Alright. Oh. Oh yeah, satisfying. What's this? Oh great. Oh great. Alright, how satisfying is this? Ah, nice. Real nice. Come on. I just fucking do it once. Alright, look at that. Damn it. Oh my god, dude, come on. Alright, look at that. Satisfying. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This side too, big boy. Oh yeah. Alright, we're back. My battery died. Taking this off. Mojo Jojo's scalp. There she is. All unwrapped. Now I could put that in there. Nice and snug. We'll walk around. I mean, either way, that's still pretty clean. Pretty nice. Nice and black.